Hello and welcome to day one of our game design class. I'm Mrs. Thompson, and each week I'll make a video announcement along with a list of things for you to do each day to help guide you through the course. So this week we're going to dig into Unit 1 from Tut to Mario, a history of gaming. We're going to be working in Unit 1 all week. So to get yourself started off, we're going to click on Modules here to the left, and we're going to have that pull up. And when you see that, you will see Unit 1 right here. And you're just going to go straight down from here with your activities. So on Monday, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to read the unit title, summary, unit objective, lesson 1 and 2. Be sure and take notes as you go, because you're going to need those notes when you try to complete the labs and activities. And then you're going to start on Unit 1 lab on Monday. Unit 1 lab, you will work on it on Monday and you will finish it up on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, you will then go to the Unit 1 lab Dropbox, and that's where you'll turn in Unit 1 lab. On Tuesday, if you have time after you finish and turn in your Unit 1 lab, then you're going to read Lesson 3 and 4. If you don't have time on Tuesday, that's fine. Go ahead and pick it up on Wednesday. And on Wednesday, we're going to have you read Lesson 3 and 4. I'm going to have you answer discussion question 1. When you answer your discussions, make sure that they are in full and complete sentences, and that they do answer the question thoroughly. Don't just give me a one sentence answer. Go ahead and talk. Use it as a blog, and I will answer you, and we'll kind of talk about it a little bit. Also on Wednesday, you're going to start activity 2. Discussion questions don't take very long. You'll be able to roll through that pretty quickly. So you're going to start activity 2, and activity 2, you'll have Wednesday and all of Thursday to complete activity 2, and you will turn activity 2 in on Thursday. On Friday, you are going to do discussion question 2, again, complete sentences, multiple sentences, and you'll have 5 text questions that will help you start reviewing and thinking about Unit 1 and what you learned in those lessons to prep you for the test that will be next Tuesday. But for now, you will complete your text questions all on Friday, and you'll turn them in at the end of the hour. All right, so that is the end of your work for this first week of game design. I want to bring your attention to this Unit 1 podcast. If you would rather listen to your lessons and follow along with someone speaking the text to you, Unit 1 podcast is where you want to go. You can click on it, and you can follow along with the lesson while you do it, and someone will read the lessons to you. Sometimes that's kind of nicer. It helps you get it in your mind, and you can also take notes a little bit easier. So feel free to do that if you would like as well. All right, if there's anything else you need, give me a buzz. Otherwise, you're on your own. Have some fun, and let me know if there's anything I can do for you. Thanks.